How to make money on Fiverr in 2020. If these situations resonate with you, then you must know that this is the guide you may want to read. You may find lots of YouTube videos and blog posts that tell what you can do to start making money on Fiverr, but the question is how many of them would tell you how to do it? Here is the 5-step strategy of making money on Fiverr. 1. Choose thing you're passionate about. Fiverr does have a wide range of service, moreover, they also have a huge system of subcategories, meaning each main category has its so many subcategories. To explain this further, let give you an example. If you're a simple HTML web designer and all your expertise and experience are in HTML only, then you may find 2 relevant fields in the programming and tech category, but you should choose web programming because it's relatable to your service. 2. Build your profile according to your service. As said before, you must know clearly that what you have to offer. Now this still remains relevant. Make sure you don't offer 2 different services on Fiverr. Instead, stick to your talent or passion. The reason is that you need to fill up your profile according to your service. For instance, the work you do, the experience you have, and the authority you've built over the course of time. Each and everything putting in your profile will help you reach out your prospective customers. 3. Be creative in your offering. This is no simple game. Try to be unique and different. When you have some special skill to offer and sell, so should be your offering. This means that whatever offer you create, firstly, it should be useful for the audience, secondly, it should be offered in a way that no one ever thought about that. 4. Keep testing your gigs strategy. It's important if you are trying to learn on how to make money on Fiverr is to keep on testing what's working for you. The consistency does matter in your Fiverr success, but once you spend a few weeks on Fiverr, you will get a chance to see that how many views and clicks your gigs are getting. In fact, if someone reaches out to you and discusses the solution you're providing, analyze what gigs are getting those traction, even if they are being sold. 5. Promote gigs everywhere. One of the best ways to get traction and knowing how to make money on Fiverr is that you need to promote your gigs everywhere. If you're just relying on the organic reach on Fiverr, it may take some time to get your first sale. In fact, if promote your gigs outside Fiverr, meaning, you're linking your gigs in the relevant blog posts, guest posts, forums, social media, LinkedIn Pulse articles, the chances are, someone who needs that service stumble upon your gig. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck!